What's that? What is that, Ari? Oh, that's I. Oh, that's D. You're right. Yeah. What was that? W? Where's W? What's that? W? Yeah. What's that? Is that K? K? Can you go get more? Oh yeah, there's the video. Can you go get more? Show me more letters. Yeah, that's the video. There's the refrigerator. Go over there and get more. Go get more letters. See? What's that? Z? Yeah, that's the Z. Where's circle? Is that an O? What's that? Y? Yeah? Yeah. What's that? B? P, yeah. What's that? M. What's that? What's that? E. What's that? You usually tell me. J, yeah. You. Good job. What's that? S. R. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. N or Z? It's an N this time. Z? Okay. Fine. It's confusing. I know you know that one. What's that? She knows these. Oh, look, you spelled... Oh, you almost spelled gosh. I guess it's gosh-er. Yeah, there's your letters. There's your letters.